Today I am going to share my understanding of algebra with you. What is algebra? Algebra is the generalized form of arithmetic. In arithmetic, as we use numbers, in the same way, in algebra, we'll use letters along with numbers. The letters are known as variables. Why? Because the letters such as X, Y, Z, we do not know their value exact. We do not know their value, so it varies. The value varies. We do not know it. But numbers are constant because the value remains the same. Value is constant, such as we take a number 4. Its value won't become 5 or 8 or 10. Nothing like that. So friends, its history dates back to the year 830. It is derived from the word Algebra, from the book Kitab al-Mustahar fi Hisab al-Jabr ba-i-Muqabla by Muhammad ibn Masa al-Khwazmi. This book can be translated as the Compendious Book of Calculations. Now friends, we come on the terms. The first term is constant. Constant means we had earlier discussed that constant is the number we use, such as 4. Its value remains constant. Value does not change, so we call the numbers as constant. Now coming on to variables. Variables are letters X, Y, A, B, because their value varies from X can be 4, 5, 10, 11, anything. We do not know its value, so its value varies. That's why it is called variable. Like terms are those terms which have the complete same variables, only variables, such as 5xy and 3xy. We'll see here that 5xy and 3xy are like because they have xy is the variable which is common in both. And now coming on to the unlike terms. Unlike terms example I will give you means unlike terms means which do not have the same variables, such as 5xy and 3x only. So we won't call it like terms because even though x is same, y should also be there in 3. But even if we write 3y again beside 3x, we write 3y again, so that won't be counted as a like term again, because these two are different terms, but x and y should be in a single term. That's why we are calling these two also unlike terms with this. Please note that if two variables are together without a sign between them, they will have to be multiplied, such as x, y are together without any plus or minus sign between them, so they need to be multiplied. And multiplied, because they have no values, this will be the product only. While talking about the signs, at first we have the equal to sign, then lesser than sign, not lesser than sign, therefore sign, and implies that sign in the first column here. Not equal to, greater than sign, not greater than, because or since, and difference between. These are the signs we use in algebraic expressions. This is equal to, not equal to, lesser than, greater than, not lesser than, not greater than, therefore, because or since, implies that, and this is the difference between. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is the collection of several terms put together, separated by signs, such as 5a minus 6b plus 7c. This is algebraic expression. So we'll take another example. 3x minus 4y plus 5z. This is another algebraic expression. Now we will look at the types of algebraic expressions. There are 5 types of algebraic expressions: monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, and polynomial. What is monomial? It has only one term, such as x is a monomial. It is a single term. Or 5y. Also, this is a single term. Now we will go to binomial. Binomial has two terms, x minus 5y. Same, trinomial has three terms, x, for example, x minus 5y plus 6z. Multinomial is that algebraic expression which has two or more terms. Binomial and trinomial come under multinomial because binomial has two terms and trinomial has more than two terms. 4 term will be multinomial, 5 term multinomial. It will go to an extent that is limitless. So we'll take an example as x minus 5y plus 6z minus 7a plus 8b. You can also keep the example as only 4, but you can keep it more than 5 also. I have kept only 5. What is polynomial? Polynomial is that algebraic expression which has two or more unlike terms. So all the examples that we have taken here come under polynomial. Why? Because here we have taken x minus 5y. These two are unlike, as it is only x and here it's y. This is also completely unlike. X, y and z, these three are different variables. This is x, y, z, a, b. So this is also an unlike, so it will also come under polynomial. Coefficient is any one term of an algebraic expression. For example, I have taken an algebraic expression 4abc. So in this, how to find the coefficient? We'll find it with the following method. 4 is a coefficient of ABC. Now 4a is a coefficient of BC. 4ab is a coefficient of C. Now by taking it reverse, C is a coefficient of 4ab, BC is coefficient of 4a, ABC is coefficient of 4. So this is the process to take out the coefficients. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my videos for other people to know about me. Thank you.